Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows installation error 0x80070001, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft Windows and Windows Update. In the right pane, you will notice two Diva 32-bit entries named WU server and WI server status. Delete both of them. Click on yes. That is it. Other solutions are not required. Don't try the other solutions. But yes, if you want to try something, then try a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Select disk cleanup. Click on OK. Select all the options here. Click on OK. Delete files. And then once all of these are deleted, just restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.